Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. So let's start. So you can see here I have two WhatsApp, official WhatsApp and business WhatsApp. If I open my business WhatsApp and open this contact and write message here, if you hold it for a few seconds, you will see this eye icon. Click here and here you will be able to see that this message is delivered just now and in read tab it shows nothing, so it means we are not blocked from this contact. So now if you open our second WhatsApp and open this first contact, you will see here we have received message. So if we block this contact, open this profile, scroll down and click on block. Now we have just blocked this contact. Now if we open our second WhatsApp again and try to message it, and WhatsApp will show this single tick. It means this contact has blocked you or its mobile data and Wi-Fi is off. You can wait a while for 5 to 6 hours. If this gray check remains gray, it means it blocked you. And if it turned double critic, it means your message has been delivered. So that's how you can know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.